This beautiful Brownstone Camry Hybrid XLE looks amazing after a complete redesign in 2018, and it features edgier styling, LED headlights and running lights, and 18-inch alloy wheels. The Camry looks great from the back with a chrome exhaust, a rear-mounted shark fin antenna, energy-absorbing window glass, and an integrated rear deck spoiler. The large trunk offers plenty of luggage carrying capacity. From the driver's side, this upscale sedan features color-matched mirrors with integrated signals, a power moonroof, and an integrated front spoiler. Inside the roomy cabin, you'll find rich Softex upholstery, form-fitting heated seats, automatic air conditioning, dynamic radar cruise control, push-button start, power windows and locks, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, and a premium JBL AM/FM SAT radio display audio system with Entune 3, Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. There's room for 3 in the back, a drop-down center console, and plenty of legroom, or you can fold the seat backs down to carry larger items. Power comes from a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and a hybrid Synergy drive system mated to a CVT automatic transmission. The Camry XLE is sure to impress with a wider, longer, and lower stance and the fuel economy benefits of a hybrid drive. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leithhead Road in Kelowna.